Hi guys, it's Tiffany Benson, one part of Team Benson, and we have some bad news. Our garden took a giant beating in the storm that we had here in Arizona. Normally this time of the year is smooth sailing. Last year I had tons of vegetables. It was so great, it was so nice. And this year it was raining and everything was fine, everything was happy, and then it hailed. I'm gonna show a picture of the hail that was out front so you guys can see what it looked like. So with that, my garden took a beating and it is mainly destroyed, which is completely and utterly devastating to me, but we're gonna pull through. So this is the catastrophe that is now my garden. As you can see, the hail just kind of ripped through everything. My beautiful Swiss chard. I'm gonna pull up some of these radishes, and I mean there's no coming back for them. So I'm just gonna pull them all up and we'll just plant new ones. Just gonna plant new ones. My celery now gone. Greens are completely gone. Although all of these survived quite well actually. Like they did pretty good. Those are my herbs, which thank God because I use those almost every day. The garlic seems to be okay for the most part. This one is shredded. As you guys can see, look at that. Just so much damage to all of them. Cilantro, oregano, everything. The saddest part, guys, is this. This is my artichoke plant, and I don't even think I can save this, guys, because it is really bad. Some more devastation. Everything, all the peppers. I'm gonna come through and pick all these peppers off, but the hail was just going straight through these and just ripping them apart. So all the ones that don't look horrible, I'm gonna try picking off and seeing if we can save them. But the basil's gone. The tomato, I'm hoping that one comes back, and we'll just wait and kind of see. All of my flowers are completely shredded. This tomato plant really got it. It really got shredded. Although this rosemary plant survived and was happy for the rain. As you can see, it got a lot bigger. But the real devastating part, guys, are my green beans. All of my green beans are just gone. They're gone. So I'm gonna pull off all of the green beans that are on there and see if I can just cook those up. But all of the leaves, I've just never seen hail do this in Arizona. Like, it's never ever been this bad. But it's completely gone. My eggplant, it's okay. I mean, I have one eggplant on there, but it has damage to the leaves, but I think this one's gonna pull through. This eggplant's been through everything and has been totally fine. And my runner beans, my scarlet runner beans, seem to be okay. Broccoli, I think, will pull through too as well. I mean, it's damaged, but it's not like horrible. These cilantros actually made it through, so I'm excited about that because I wanted to make a pasta with those this week. The cabbage, on the other hand, though, I think my cabbage is done for. I'm gonna leave it and see what happens, but I'm not too good on it. All of these snow peas, though, completely fine. It's like the hail didn't even touch them. I don't know if it's because they are this way or everything else is that way, but it's like nothing happened to them. There's a few bad leaves, but that's about it. My carrots. I think I have one lone carrot that survived. All the rest are done. My squash is done. The squash did protect the thyme over there, so the thyme's still kicking. And some of the peas, I think, or green beans, I think these green beans might pull through too as well. Real devastating, guys, is my pepper plant. This Habano pepper, I waited forever for it to give me some poblanoes, and now you can see every single leaf on it is gone. And even like the peppers are just completely beat up. and gone. I think this is the only one that's going to survive, but it's fallen off, so I'm going to have to take that. Really sad news. I had actually had 2 more cucumbers that were coming in, but now this one is completely gone. I need to pull that one up. And my tomato plant, which had a bunch of nice tomatoes that were coming in, is now, I think, completely gone too as well. So, you know, these are the bad things that happen to good people. My jalapeno plant, I think these jalapenos are going to be fine, but I don't think the plant's going to pull through. But my mint over here, completely fine. So we're good on that. So as you can see, not much kind of made it through that, which is really disheartening. It really, really is. But you know, sometimes things happen and you just have to say, well, things happen, and go from there. Luckily, all of my herbs survived, which is amazing because I do cook with fresh herbs every single day, and all of them but like 3 plants survived. But the plan is to go to some of the box stores and some of the local nurseries and see if they have any starts that I can buy and put in, and then I'm going to start some of the faster plants like my Swiss chards and stuff like that that are going to last all the way through December and January. I'm going to start some of those inside. If anything, it'll be ready for the spring and we can have an early spring harvest. So that's it, guys. It's really sad, and it's going to be okay because we're going to have it all grow back, and it'll be even better in the spring. So I hope you guys are having a good weekend. Bye, guys.